All right, welcome back. Here was your practice problem. Let's go ahead and get it solved. Remember, we're going to try and make a 2 by 2 system, and we are going to eliminate a variable first. That's the goal. We're going to make a 2 by 2 system by eliminating a variable, and we're going to do it twice. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, which of these is going to be the easiest to eliminate? Well, I've got a regular x there, a regular y there, a regular z there. So they're all going to have common factors to share, which means it really doesn't matter which one we eliminate. I'm going to choose v. I'm going to eliminate v by choice here. And so to eliminate z, I'm going to choose two equations. And again, so I'm going to mark these as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. And as I'm doing that, I'm looking, all right, z is what I want to get rid of. So I'm going to take equations 1 and 2. And I'm going to figure out what I got to do to eliminate the z in these equations. So here we've got a negative 2z. I need this one to be a positive 2z. To do that, I need to multiply the whole bottom equation by 2. So my top equation doesn't change, but my bottom equation is going to be doubled. So that's going to be 12x minus 4y plus 2z equals negative 4. Now when I add these together, that will eliminate. And this becomes 15x minus 3y equals 6. And now I have an equation with two variables. So we're going to save that. We're going to put it aside. This is equation 4, right? Equation 4. And we're going to do the elimination of z one more time. So instead of using 1 and 2, because I've already done that, I'm going to use 2 and 3. So equation 2 and equation 3. That's 6x minus 2y plus z equals negative 2. And that's x plus 4y plus 3z equals 7. Let's see here. To get rid of the z's, this is a positive 3. So I need to make this one a negative 3 by multiplying by negative 3. So that's going to give me negative 18x plus 6y minus 3z equals positive 6. And my bottom equation here did not change. Okay, adding that together, I get negative 17x plus 10y equals 13. And there's my equation 5, right? Again, two equations with x and y. Now, if you chose to eliminate a different variable, your work is going to be totally different. So stick with us until we solve one of the variables so that you can see if you got this right, all right? Or honestly, just skip to the end at this point so that you can check to see if you were correct. And then you're going to have to search through to find it if you didn't get it correct. But let's take these two equations that I made, right? 15x minus 3y equals 6, and negative 17x plus 10y equals 13, because now we need to solve this system. Well, we do this the same way as we did before. These ones did not come out as nice, right? I can't think of a common factor between 15 and 17. I could just multiply the two together. That's going to get big numbers. I think this one's easier, the y's, because 3 and 10 have a common factor of 30. So if I can make this negative 30 by multiplying by 10, and make this positive 30 by multiplying by 3, I get 150x minus 30y equals 60. And then I got 3 times negative 17, which is, let's see here, negative 34, negative 51x plus 30y equals 3 times 13, which is 39. So these are still looking ugly. But watch what happens. When I add these together, I get 99x. Those eliminate, and this becomes 99, right? So all I got to do is divide by 99 in both cases, and I get x equals 1. It's a really simple answer for how nasty that equation looked. And so we're partway there. We're a third of the way there. Now I take this x equals 1 and I plug it in up here somewhere. 15 times 1 minus 3y equals 6, which is 15 minus 3y equals 6. So solving that, I get subtracting 15 from both sides. I end up with negative 9 there. And then y equals positive 3. Great. One last thing to plug in, and I'm going to do it up here. I take that first equation, 3 times 1 plus 3 minus 2z equals 10. That's 6 minus 2z equals 10. Negative 2z equals 4. So z equals negative 2. So there it is. There's my final answer. 1, 3, negative 2. All right, these ones take practice. Trust me on this one, right? It's a little bit confusing at first. I understand that because there's a lot of steps. There's a lot of stuff to do. They take some practice, all right? So we will definitely be doing more of these in class. But if you're watching otherwise, you should find some on the web and get some practice because doing these takes practice because there's lots and lots of ways to make a mistake. So you've got to be extra careful every step along the way, okay? So thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.